Hello everyone, my name is Shantanu and I'm from SkillSpeed, and in this short presentation I'll be taking you through the applications of big data and Hadoop for a business intelligence professional. So we all know that today organizations generate tremendous amount of data. Therefore comes the importance of a business intelligence professional to go through that data, manipulate that data and get the insights which are required to further propel the company ahead in terms of profit and operational excellence. Today, data has become a differentiator for companies. Companies which utilize data to provide better customer experiences end up making the most profits. So, in today's world, a BI professional has to do four fundamental tasks. He has to collect the data from internal and external sources, prepare it, analyze it, and when any insight comes about, he has to make a report for it. It has to be visualized, and that is sent back to his team, which will go and execute that data. So BI professionals today, as you all would know, are the most sought after professionals in the market. However, they face certain limitations. For example, let's go through all these parameters. Let's take unstructured data. Now, earlier data was very structured, data was very simple, and now data is very complex. Data sources have expanded. Now people talk about petabytes and terabytes of data, and that is where the real insights come out from, the real trends come out from. And unstructured data forms the biggest chunk of this data. And traditional BI tools cannot process unstructured data very effectively. And even scalability is an issue. If they get large data sets, complex, unstructured ones, BI tools are just not scalable enough to do so. And even if they are just not cost effective. And compared to modern tools, traditional BI tools are also not very secure. There is a chance of certain data lapses occurring. And even more importantly, today industries want real-time data analysis. Like take aviation for example. They track data on a second basis. Now, how do we fulfill these drawbacks? When these drawbacks were talked about, the solution is to use Hadoop. Hadoop is a new age data management framework which is made for scalability, made for unstructured data, and made for real-time analysis and the other 2 points on the slide. So Hadoop came into picture because big data came into picture. So let's clarify what big data is first. Big data is, as the name suggests, big data. It's large, it's complex, it's difficult to process. And traditional data processing applications, which are used by majority of business intelligence professionals, cannot process this data. So then what do? The answer to that is say hello to Hadoop development. So what is Hadoop? Hadoop is a simple programming framework. It's an open source data management technology. It's being used because it's flexible. It works on a multi-node structure, which facilitates distributed computing. This makes it very flexible and very scalable. Due to this also, it's very reliable and it's very economical. That's why if you see, a lot of companies in the market today are moving to Hadoop. But let's discuss why today a business intelligence professional must move to Hadoop. Now there are two reasons over here. One is on the individual level and one on the organizational level. Now when an organization moves to Hadoop, it gets the power required to process unstructured data sources, which are the major chunk of their data. And there is a reduction in costs because of the scalability brought about by the Hadoop framework. They can process information faster and even in real time. All this for an organization is the link between process, product, and profit. Therefore, data analysis is the key differentiator, as I said earlier in this presentation. A BI professional must move to Hadoop because as an organization generates large amounts of unstructured data, he has to be capable enough to derive insights from that data. It's very, very important for him for his personal career growth and for the organization. The better insights he gets, the better career he has. It's as simple as that. And today, as you can see on this slide also, job trends for Hadoop professionals have shot up in the market. So the best combinations right now are for Hadoop is a BI plus Hadoop, because the BI professional knows his Tableau, he knows his R, he knows other traditional data tools. Hadoop added to that is a lethal combination. Other than that, Hadoop and Java developers are a very, very strong combination. As you can see in these reports also, like Hadoop is not just one more framework in the market which will come for a few years and then go away for a few years. If you just take some time to go through this report, you'll know that Hadoop is here to stay. Let's focus on point number 3 and point number 4. As per an IDC report, like the body for big data, Hadoop is rising at a percentage of 31.7 every year. No other technology or no other industry has that kind of growth rate. Even more so important is the point number four. Almost 90% of organizations have embarked on Hadoop-related projects. We ourselves know this. We've trained people from companies like Cognizant, Wipro, ITC Infotech, Emphasis, HP, and they all have a tremendous demand for Hadoop developers. This is a slide on demand for Hadoop plus BI professionals. Now, look at these companies. I'm sure these names will feature in your dream list. Like there's an Amazon, there's a Yahoo, there's a Netflix, there's a Cloudera, there's a Microsoft also. That's it. Like really, really big companies moving to this. So coming to the end, today for a BI professional to move to Hadoop would be an excellent choice because it's a lethal combination in the job market. For organization, it provides them greater insights. And that's about it from my end. And if you have any feedback, please comment and we'll get back to you. Thank you.